If you're a remote worker or you do a lot of video calls and presentations on Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet, boy oh boy do I have a great gadget for you. This is the Elgato Conferencing Kit Plus, and it's designed to fix the biggest problem with video calls, and that is bad angles, poor eye contact, and awkward laptop framing. This conferencing kit consists of 4 products. You get Elgato's Prompter, the Elgato Facecam, a Wave desk stand, and an adjustable laptop stand with a built-in USB hub. Together, they create a video workstation for your laptop. The setup is pretty straightforward. First, mount the prompter onto the Wave desk stand. Be sure to twist it around until you have a snug fit and then position it accordingly. Next, slide in the laptop stand and connect the Facecam and prompter to the built-in USB hub. Finally, adjust your laptop stand so your laptop fits in with the prompter evenly on top. This kit solves the big problem with laptop video calls, and that's eye contact. Instead of looking slightly above at the laptop camera, you're looking at the person on screen while the camera is positioned directly behind that image. That means you can have a natural conversation over video and still appear to be making eye contact. So for interviews, sales calls, presentations, podcasts, or basically any meeting where presence matters, we all know that eye contact can make a real difference. Now let's talk a little bit about the tech behind this conferencing kit. The included webcam is Elgato's Facecam, and it's a high-end webcam. So if you're using an older laptop webcam, this will be a noticeable upgrade. However, if you're like me and you're using a modern MacBook, the difference may not be night and day, but the Facecam's real advantage here is placement. Combined with the prompter, it puts the camera exactly where it should be. The only issue so far that I have noticed is lighting, because it works best in well-lit environments. So if you have darker skin tones like me, you may want to add in a key light to this setup. And after using this to take video calls on my back deck, the biggest improvement for me was my posture and my presence. Because I'm not looking down at my laptop anymore, and it feels more natural to have a video chat this way. The camera is centered, and my framing is consistent every time I take a video call. So, for anyone who does a lot of remote work, interviews, and webinars, trust me when I say this will make a big difference. I do wish, however, that this kit came with the key light. While you can make manual camera adjustments, like increasing the brightness in the camera hub, having a key light would make a world of a difference. So who is this actually for? Because it might be a little overkill for people who do the occasional video call. Well, I think it's best for people whose work depends how they show up on camera. That could be executives, presenters, sales teams, educators, and anyone doing a lot of remote interviews or video meetings. If video calls are part of your personal brand or your business, this kit will add a personal touch. So, is the Elgato Conferencing Kit Plus worth it? For casual users, probably not. But if you're on camera all the time, this is one of those products that solves problems you may not even realize are hurting your presence. And that's poor eye contact, bad posture, and low camera angles. But bear in mind, this is not gonna magically make you a better presenter, but it does put you in a much better position to look professional, confident, and engaged while you're talking on camera. And for that reason alone, I'm gonna give it the handy Andy stamp of approval. Be sure to follow me online, and I'll see you in the next video.